In this video, we're going to learn how to make our iPhone vibrate in silent mode. If you've ever missed important calls or notifications because your phone was on silent and your phone didn't vibrate, then you want to watch this video until the end to learn how to enable the haptics or the vibration when in silent mode. We'll open the settings on our iPhone and then find the Sounds and Haptics option that is just under the Notifications button. When we open this section, we'll select the Haptics button right here, and this is another name for vibration. So, when you open the Haptics section, you can either select the Always Play or Play in Silent mode. This way, when your phone is set to silent mode, your iPhone is going to vibrate. And when you do this step, there's another thing that we want to do. Go back to the main settings page, then select the Notifications. We then want to find the Phone app in here. Select the Sounds. You'll find the Haptics option at the top of the page, so click on that. Now you just want to select a haptic pattern that you want. If this was set to none, just select a haptic from this list that will play when your phone rings in silent mode. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.